All right, now that you guys already know how to do a peyote stitch, let's learn how to do a fast peyote bead weaving. So this is about 8 rows up. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 8 beads. Let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this right here is going to get your 2 rows done. You're going to go ahead and put it on like this. You are going to flip it over. So we're going to go through here. Okay. You're going to go through this one. Go through this one. Go through this one. It's every other bead just like it was before. In through this one. In through this one. In through this one. And in through this one. Okay, let's go ahead and grab another 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to go in and you're going to go diagonal. Okay, then you're going to go this way. Then you're going to go this way to this way. And then you're going to go back up here. Now obviously you'll need to know your pattern ahead of time, but this right here will give you the basis of what to do. So okay, let's go ahead and grab another 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't even know why I flipped it, so don't flip it. Just keep it there. Okay, go ahead and grab your beads. So go ahead and flip it down. You're going to go in through here and out through here. It's a little diagonal. Okay, go that way. Okay, now we're going to go through here and out through here. All right, let's do, I don't know why I keep on trying to twist it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get your 8 beads. Go up through here and out through here. In through here and out through here. Okay, in through here, out through here, in through here and out through here. All right, this time I'm going to slow it up for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We'll do 1 bead at a time. So we're going to go through here. Okay. You're going to go through this one. Go through this one. Go through this one. It's every other bead just like it was before. In through this one. In through this one. In through this one. And in through this one. And there you go. You have your fast peyote bead weaving. What do you want to see next? To learn techniques like this and more, make sure you're registering for Beading University today.